Wow, this looks like exactly what I would like the operators to be able to see. I'm Sarah Tebbutt. I work at Trillium metal stampings. We are located in Kitchener, Ontario, and we stamp metal parts as well as do welding and assembly. We have mechanical presses, both manual and automatic. We change out some dies after a couple hours, and other ones would run for days on end. Yeah, it kind of depends on the job. So lots of clients we have them year over year, and other projects would be shorter. We discovered FreePoint at a manufacturing conference, and it struck my interest because we were looking at how we could roll out our ERP system that we use in the office right now onto the floor, but it was going to be costly to buy some more licenses for that, and our ERP system is not very user-friendly. And what struck me about FreePoint when I was at the conference was, wow, this looks like exactly what I would like the operators to be able to see. I think the operators being able to see the run rates that they're running at, because right now they don't know necessarily what they're running at, so I think they're going to like that. And I think for us personally as a management team, being able to see the uptime and the downtime. Long term, we're planning on being able to go paperless and have less paper to have to handle on a day-to-day, and to prevent some of the human error in terms of copying from one sheet to another.